what I got from Singapore Daiso. You can steam your eggs with this. The first shawarmushi I made. Okay. This is what it looks like. So you just mix the eggs and water and the shawarmushi seasoning. Then you close this and then you just put this in the microwave. Moment of truth. Oh, it's solid. It's not silky smooth, but it's jiggly. It's steamed. Next time I'm gonna try straining it with this and see if I can make it more smooth, but I think it will taste the same. You can see how jiggly it is. I did some Christmas shopping, but for myself, I got this duo. This is the Pro Series 3, and I got the duo because I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend, and then I'll be keeping the white one. And this is the white one. They give you 3 brush heads. That's quite a lot. I got myself a humidifier. Let's set it up. That looks pretty good. I'm super excited to show you what I bought at the local yarn store today. So we start off with these cables. I don't know what they're called, but you can hold your stitches with these. I've never used them before, but I'm super excited to try them out. And then I got the Knit Pro birch needles because I really want to try wooden needles. If I like these, I will just buy a set of Knit Pro fixed symphony needles because a lot of people rave about them, and I really want to try and see if they feel better in my hands. Then I got 2 skeins of the Softness Garn Tin Silk Mohair in the color white because I'm gonna frog my entire Lulu cable cardigan and redo it. I wanna do it with 3 strands of mohair. If you compare, this is Dropskid Silk and this is Tin Silk Mohair, you can tell by the size difference that this one is just bulkier. I did some early Black Friday shopping. I'll show you guys what I got. This is my first time using this yarn. I'm super excited about it. This is Lana Gatto VIP. It's a merino and cashmere blend and it is incredibly soft. This is in the color beige, 10011. I'm gonna knit a Sophie scarf with this. I'm super excited. Then I got new knitting needles. I have been loving wooden needles. All these are from Knit Pro and they were on sale, so that's why I decided to get them. These are fixed circulars because I don't use interchangeable needles. These are all Knit Pro Symphony needles. These are 80 centimeters, this is 3.5 millimeters, and then this one is 4 millimeters. And then I got 3 of the shorter needles. These are 40 centimeters. So I have 4.5 millimeters, 4 millimeters, and then 3.5 millimeters. I really want to start investing in like good needles and good yarns, so we're just gonna start with these and then hopefully I can buy more in future. I got these super cute hair clips from Miniso, I believe. I think I got them from Singapore, but they are Kuromi hair clips. My yarn stash is in Ravelry, so this is like a database for all my yarn, quantities, everything, dye lots, etc. I'm gonna knit the Sophie scarf by Petite Knit. You've probably seen this everywhere. I am obsessed with it, so I'm gonna make my own. This is the yarn I'll be using. This is the Lana Gato VIP that I ordered the other day. And then I'm gonna try out my new knitting needles. These needles are so pretty. Doing the increases now.